Welcome to BioThought. So today we are going to discuss NCERT Biology 21st page, and this is the last page of the chapter. Yes, coming to this biological classification 21st page. Yes. So previous classes we were saying about in plants symptoms like mosaic formation and leaf rolling and curling and alloying and vein clearing, doffing, standard growth. These are shown by virus. And now coming to viroids or viroids, 1971 Theo Diener discovered new infectious agent that was smaller than viruses. See, viroids are smaller than viruses and cause potato spindle tuber disease. Potato spindle tuber disease is caused by these viroids, and it was found to be free RNA. It lacked a protein coat. And that found in the viruses, and hence the name viroid. And the RNA of the viroid was a low molecular weight. So viroids means 1971 Theo Diener discovered new infectious agents smaller than viruses. Potato spindle tuber disease causing free RNA, lack protein coat, and the name viroid, and low molecular weight. That's all regarding that. Next, coming prions. In modern medicine, certain infectious neurological disease were found to be that neurological disease means affecting brain were found to be transmitted by an agent consisting of abnormally folded protein. So that agent is having abnormally folded protein, and the agent was similar in size to viruses, and these was called as prions. And the most notable disease caused by prions are bovine spongiform encephalopathy. This is a disease affecting the brain. In cattle we used to see called the mad cow disease in cattle, and BSE. Its analogous variant is Creutzfeldt Jakob disease, CJD in humans. So lichens are coming to the symbiotic associations, that is mutually useful associations between what algae and the fungi. The algal component is known as phycobiont. The study of algae is called as phycology, right? The biont means the partner, so algal partner, and the fungal component or fungal partner is the mycobiont. Study of fungus is known as mycology. So which are autotrophic and heterotrophic, and respectively, we know that. And algae prepare food for the fungi. Why? Fungi is heterotrophic and algae is autotrophic, and fungi provide shelter, absorb mineral nutrients and water for its partner. So fungi is providing the shelter, absorb mineral nutrients and water for its partner. So close is their association that if one see a lichen in nature, one would never imagine that they have two different organisms within them. They had two organisms. It is very difficult to find. Now, lichens are very good pollution indicators. They do not grow in polluted area. This is an important question. Then coming to the summary part, biological classification of plants and animals was proposed by Aristotle on the basis of simple morphological characters, and Linnaeus later classified all living organisms into two kingdoms, which are the Plantae and Animalia. Whittaker proposed the 5-kingdom classification: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. The main criteria of 5-kingdom classification was what? Cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction, phylogenetic relationships. And in 5-kingdom classification, bacteria are included in the kingdom Monera. Bacteria are cosmopolitan in distribution, and these organisms show the most extensive metabolic diversity, and bacteria may be what? They can be autotrophic or heterotrophic in the mode of nutrition. Kingdom Protista includes all single-celled eukaryotes are there, and such as chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime molds, and protozoans. And Protista have a defined nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles, and they reproduce both sexually and asexually. And members of the kingdom Fungi shows a great diversity in the structure and habitat, and most fungi are what? Saprophytic, that is phytic means depending on that organic matter and in their mode of nutrition, and they are asexual and sexual. Yes, they show asexual and sexual forms. And Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, Deuteriomycetes are 4 classes under this kingdom, and the Plantae include all eukaryotic chlorophyll containing organisms, and algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperm, angiosperms are based on the complexity, and angiosperm is flowering plants are included in this group. And the life cycle of Plants exhibit alternation of generation. Gametophytic stage is there and sporophytic generations are there. Gametophytic stage is haploid and the sporophytic is diploid stage generations, and the heterotrophic eukaryotic multicellular organism lacking cell wall are in the kingdom Animalia. And the mode of nutrition we will see. We know in the kingdom Animalia the mode of nutrition, they are holozoic. So I feel like one page is missing. I will upload it in the next class because some continuation lines are not seen here. That's it. So today's we have discussed this page of NCERT, and we will discuss it in the next page in the other class. Keep watching, do subscribe and follow for more updates.